Morning guys, how we doing? So today we're going to talk about the strap. So today I'm a little bit curious and I want to know how do you do your straps? So here I'm going to give you an example of two straps of how you'd find them. One is like that, you put that there, and two, my personal pet hate is that. They are the two ways really that you can do your straps to tidy them up, to get them away. But I want to know more than that. First and foremost, that shouldn't be allowed. Should not be allowed. That needs to be unraveled and rolled up and stored away separately. That's what that needs. So we'll come on to that one in a little while. That's my personal favourite that I really dislike. So we'll leave that out today. Next, this is the normal standard strap. Okay, you see the hook there on the outside, so that when you throw it, like so, when you throw it, you're not injuring anybody with the hook. So this brings me to my next point, a dislike of mine, another dislike. So we'll undo that. What I'm now finding, I personally don't like it. People are using the hook and then coiling up like so, you see, so that therefore when they come to throw that strap, what they're doing, they're throwing the heavy part, I agree, over an object. It's more likely to hit and injure someone, that hook. Whereas my personal way is, if you're throwing it, the weight that's on the reel of this coiled up, the other end, nothing, there's no weight, so you're going to do less damage to what you're carrying if the throw is wrong, and certainly less damage to a pedestrian walking by if someone was to do so, which, let's be honest, in this day and age it happens. I've seen accidents happen, plenty of accidents where people throw straps and it hits someone on the other side, and of course, what end are they throwing it with? They're throwing it with that end, and it does damage. So little top tip from me guys, use this end. It's light, it gets over where you need it to get and causes no damage. Easy, isn't it? So that's how I roll my straps. My question to you lot is, how do you all roll yours? Comment below, or better still, show me. Let me see how you do yours. And I know I have seen videos on here before of a few people doing competitions with their reelies and then hands. Good old-fashioned way. Call them up with your hands, full control. That's just me. I'm not saying it's right and I'm not saying it's wrong. This is my preference. So as I said, comments below, people. Let's have a go at some strapping. There you go. Bonjour. And there you go, voila, all ready to be rolled, wrapped up, stowed away,